Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Sneaker Crease Protector is probably one of the most essential accessories for any sneakerhead looking to preserve the pristine condition of their beloved kicks, preventing those unsightly creases that can diminish both the aesthetic appeal and the resale value of your favorite footwear, ensuring they stay looking box fresh for longer. Which is why we've scoured the market to find the top contenders that offer superior protection without compromising on comfort or fit. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. From delicate suede and nubuck to smooth leather and breathable fabrics, this kit handles it all. Keep your sneakers looking pristine. Tired of scuffs and dirt on your white sneakers? Our powerful formula lifts away grime, restoring their original brightness effortlessly. This all-in-one kit includes a specially formulated cleaner and a brush. It provides everything you need for a thorough and effective clean. Achieve professional-level cleaning results right at home. Just a few simple steps will make your shoes look and feel brand new again. Don't let dirt ruin your favorite pairs. Invest in the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit for long-lasting freshness and a brilliant shine. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your sneaker cleaning needs. It's designed to tackle various materials, ensuring a thorough clean. If you have a diverse collection of sneakers with different materials, this is the perfect all-in-one solution for you. What people say. These crease protectors are designed to fit perfectly inside your sneakers, preventing creases from forming on the toe box. They are made of a durable yet flexible material that doesn't affect the comfort or feel of the shoe. The protectors are easy to insert and remove, and they stay in place even during rigorous activity. Number 4. Instant Sneaker Cleaner 10-Pack. Introducing the Instant Sneaker Cleaner, your ultimate solution for spotless footwear. This premium kit is designed to keep your favorite shoes looking brand new. Our kit features a dual-sided sponge for effective cleaning on all types of sneakers. It's perfect for maintaining the pristine condition of your tennis shoes and everyday wear. The gentle rub design ensures a thorough clean without damaging your shoes. It's suitable for both men's and women's sneakers, providing a safe and effective cleaning experience. Whether it's athletic shoes or casual sneakers, this cleaner handles it all. Keep your entire collection looking fresh and clean with ease. Get more value with our convenient 10-pack. You'll always have a cleaner on hand whenever your shoes need a quick refresh. What we like. Experience effortless cleaning with these convenient dual-sided sponges. They provide a gentle yet effective rub, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you need a quick and easy way to keep your sneakers fresh anywhere, this pack is ideal. What people say. The crease protectors are effective in preventing creases on my sneakers. They fit well inside the shoes and don't cause any discomfort. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Forcefield Shoe Crease Preventer. Tired of unsightly creases ruining your shoes? Introducing the Forcefield Shoe Crease Preventer, designed to keep your footwear looking fresh and new. Simply place these foam protectors inside the toe box of your shoes or boots. They work to actively prevent creasing, maintaining the original shape of your shoes. Equipped with adhesive strips, they ensure a secure fit, staying in place no matter your activity. You won't even notice they're there, but you'll see the difference. These are designed to fit comfortably within the toe box. They are available in a small size, perfect for kids' shoes from size 4 to 7, and women's shoes from size 5 to 10. Extend the life and maintain the aesthetic appeal of your beloved shoes and boots. With Forcefield, creasing becomes a problem of the past. What we like. This foam protector is designed to fit snugly inside your shoe's toe box, preventing unsightly creases. The adhesive strips ensure a secure fit, keeping it in place. If you're looking for a targeted solution for smaller shoe sizes and want to maintain the crisp look of your footwear, this is the one. What people say. The crease protectors are very easy to install and fit perfectly inside my sneakers, preventing any visible creases. These protectors are surprisingly comfortable and don't alter the feel of the shoe at all. They effectively stop creases from forming, keeping my sneakers looking new. The material is durable and flexible, molding to the shape of the shoe without being stiff. It's a great way to maintain the aesthetic of expensive footwear. Number 2. Forcefield Unisex Crease Protector Shoe Guards. Tired of creases ruining your favorite shoes and boots? Introducing a simple solution to keep them looking brand new. Protect your investment with ease. Crafted for durability, these guards are designed to withstand daily wear and tear. They provide a reliable barrier against unwanted creases. Keep your footwear in pristine condition. Designed for a comfortable, secure fit, you won't even notice they're there. They work seamlessly to maintain the shape of your shoes. Enjoy long-lasting comfort and style. Suitable for both shoes and boots, these protectors offer versatile application. The medium size ensures a good fit for most adult footwear. Get comprehensive protection for your entire collection. Simply insert them into the toe box of your footwear. They are incredibly easy to put in and take out. Maintain the perfect shape of your shoes effortlessly. Prevent unsightly creases and folds from forming. These guards help maintain the original shape and structure of your shoes. Extend the lifespan of your favorite footwear. What we like. Enjoy universal protection with this durable crease preventer. Its breathable design ensures comfort while safeguarding your shoes. If you need a reliable, long-term solution for preventing creases across various shoe types and sizes, this unisex option is a great choice. What people say. The crease protectors are effective in preventing creases on my sneakers. They fit well inside my shoes and don't cause any discomfort. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. Crease protectors for Air Force shoes. Tired of creases ruining your favorite sneakers? Our protectors are designed to keep your shoes looking fresh. Say goodbye to unsightly lines and hello to lasting style. These guards are engineered to maintain the original shape of your footwear. They provide essential support to prevent the dreaded creasing effect. Keep your sneakers looking brand new, longer. Specifically crafted for popular models like Air Force Ones, these protectors offer a perfect fit. They slide easily into your shoes, providing invisible protection. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is safe. Made from high-quality, flexible materials, they won't cause discomfort. You'll barely notice they're there, but the difference in preventing creases will be obvious. Wear them all day without any issues. This value pack includes 6 pairs of crease protectors. That's enough to safeguard multiple pairs of your most cherished sneakers. Protect your collection and step out in confidence every time. Don't let creases diminish the value and look of your sneakers. These simple yet effective accessories are a must-have for any sneaker enthusiast. Invest in longevity and style today. What we like. Get multiple pairs of these protectors designed to maintain the shape of your favorite sneakers. They effectively prevent creases, keeping your shoes looking fresh. If you own popular models like Air Force and want to ensure they stay in pristine condition, this multi-pack is a fantastic value. What people say. The crease protectors are designed to prevent the top of your sneakers from creasing and folding when you walk. They fit snugly inside the toe box of the shoe, providing support and maintaining the sneaker's shape. The material is flexible yet firm, ensuring comfort without compromising the protector's effectiveness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.